Good morning, everyone. My name is Daksh Pankaj Bidada from class 6th A. Today I am here to host today's morning assembly. So let's start. Now, for the thought of the day, I would like to call Rohan Shinde.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rohan Gangadhar Shinde. I am from class 6th B. Standing in front of you to tell today's thought of the day. So today's thought of the day is, if you fail, never give up, because FAIL, fail means first attempt in learning.
Thank you, Rohan, for this beautiful thought. Now, I would like to call Jairaj for some cubes.
Good morning, Mount Litarians. My name is Jairaj Ashish Mangalge. I am from 6th A. So today I am here to tell you cubes 10 to 20. So repeat after me. 11 cube 1331.
11 cube 1331.
12 cube 1728.
12 cube 1728.
13 cube 2197.
13 cube 2197.
14 cube 2744.
14 cube 2744.
15 cube 3375.
15 cube 3375.
16 cube 4096.
16 cube 4096.
17 cube 4913.
17 cube 4913.
18 cube 58.
18 cube 58.
18 cube 5832.
18 cube 5832.
19 cube 6. 19 cube 68.
19 cube 68.
19 cube 6859.
19 cube 6859.
20 cube 8000.
20
Thank
cube
you.
8000.
Thank you, Jairaj. Now, I would like to call Vivan for a speech. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vivan Gajanan Agre, standing in front of you to give a short speech on the topic Ratan Tata. So let's begin. Ratan Tata had born on 28th of December 1937 in Mumbai. He was an iconic Indian industrialist, philanthropist, and former chairman of Tata Group from 1991 and led this group to 2012. At last, I would like to say that he was not just a normal businessman but a successful industrialist for our example. Thank you. Thank you, Vivan, for this amazing speech. Now, I would like to call Yashashri for GK quiz.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yashashri Bairam Chaure. I am from class 6th A. Today I am here to ask some GK quiz. So my first question is for first standard. Which game is the national sports of India? Yes, the correct answer is hockey. My second question is for second standard. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Yes, the correct answer is Diwali. My third question is for third standard. Which is the smallest state in India? Yes, the correct answer is Goa. My fourth question is for fourth standard. Which is the fastest bird on the earth? No. No. The correct answer is peregrine falcon. My fifth question is for fifth standard. Which city is known as Blue City? The correct answer is Jodhpur.
What about Chandigarh then?
My sixth question is for sixth standard. When the World Soil Day is celebrated?
Soil Day. ठीक है सर, ये इसके साथ अगर बैठाना
The correct answer is 5 December. My seventh question is for seventh standard. Which continent has not a single volcano? No. The correct answer is Australia. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Yashashri. Now, I would like to call Vijay sir for a speech.
Good morning, everyone. I wish everyone to Happy New Year. So today the date is 1st January 2026. One of the students has given a speech about Ratan Tata. So I'll give you some facts. So Ratan Tata has given a lot of things to India. Like they have given a first aeroplane company, I can say, the first airline India. Can anyone name that airline? Air India, right answer, very good. And he has donated some amount of $19 billion, $90 billion. Can anyone tell me how many zeros in the billion? Class 6 and 7. It's a 90 in a billion and 10 zeros for 10 billion.
And how many crores it is there?
Huh?
1 billion, how many crores?
1 billion is equals to 100 crores. So I will start with my topic curiosity. The curiosity मतलब कुछ अपने पास उसके बारे में रुचि रखना. Curiosity, why curiosity is there? You have to ask question to you how and why. अभी आप पढ़ते हो क्लास 6 से साइंस आपको स्टार्ट होता है, पहले EVS था. In a science you have to ask question how and why. If you ask yourself why, then you will go through that answer कि why. अगर मैंने आपको एक फॉर्मूला दिया, आई एम अ मैथ्स टीचर, आई हैव गिवन यू फॉर्मूला. फॉर एग्जांपल पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया क्लास 5, 6, 7 तीनों स्टैंडर्ड्स को है. तो मैंने पेरीमीटर पूछा है, मतलब पेरीमीटर क्या होता है उसका आपको वाई ढूंढना है. यस्टरडे मेरे एक लेक्चर में मैंने बताया था क्यूरियोसिटी रखो आप अपने बारे में वाई. अगर मैंने आपको फॉर्मूला दिया है, आपको इतना नॉलेज होना चाहिए कि आप आपके स्कूल ग्राउंड का मेजरमेंट ले सको, उसका लेंथ ले सको, उसका कितना कॉस्टिंग रखता है, उतना सारी चीज़ें आप में क्यूरियोसिटी होनी चाहिए. और क्यूरियोसिटी के बारे में एक थॉट है, क्यूरियोसिटी इज द स्पार्क दैट लाइट्स अवर लर्निंग व्हेन यू आस्क व्हाई एंड हाउ. व्हेन यू आस्क व्हाई एंड हाउ. So ask yourself, you're opening a door to new idea, just like explore discovering hidden treasures. If you ask yourself why. Remember, first time you try to tie your shoes, frustrating at first. अभी किसी भी चीज में आप सोचोगे why sun rises east to west. Is it right? Sun rises from east to. Why he rises east to west? Can our earth rotates from east to west? So what is the rotation of the earth? West to east. So why we are seeing sun from east to west? Ask. Yes?
Because of opposite rotation.
Because of the opposite rotation. Each attempt you got a little closer to your mastering. That same perseverance help us to solve math problem, challenges, story, and creating amazing project. I believe each one of you can achieve wonderful things. Keep that curiosity alive, support one another, enjoy every step of the learning adventure. Thank you and have a fantastic day.
Thank you, Vijay sir, for this motivational speech. Now, anyone's birthday today?
From Happy morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, Happy New Year. May this year 2026 bring an excellent change in you. Whatever you wish, whatever you desire, which are positives, should come to a success, a grand success. As yesterday's speech, there was a word called resolution. So please decide something which can be a challenge, target, or a goal for you to achieve. This year, you are going to do something different. You are going to do something which is needed for you. You are going to do something important which can bring a change in your life as student, as person, as son, as daughter, as brother, as sister. So you decide today what you have to do to bring a change. I hope everybody has decided yesterday. Please write it down. Somewhere you write it down. And when you write it down, you will come to know how to achieve it. That plan you should have. Immediately you decided, you said, it will not be a complete goal achieved. You will achieve the goal slowly and gradually. But you need to decide it. You need to decide it. Today, one of the boys said the longest spelling, the long word, it has 40 alphabets. 46 alphabets. You can decide for a new word for yourself which can have 8, 10, 12, 14, such type of alphabets. You can begin with that. But at the end of 2026, 31st, same day, same time, but after 1 year, 365th day of 2026, you will be able to date that 46 letter word. That is called resolution. Simply listening to the cubes, squares and tables will not make you to learn tables. But when you listen it, you will decide, this table I don't know, this square I don't know, this squares, this cubes I will learn. So that is called resolution. Resolution doesn't mean, okay, now you have decided and you have done it. No. Getting the resolution in your life, it needs hard work, a plan, and perseverance. Consistency. Every day you should give some time on that, 10-15 minutes. If you start doing this from today, you will learn many things in the life. 10 minutes for learning words, 10 minutes for table, 10 minutes for squares, 10 minutes for cubes, 10 minutes for elements. There is a girl, Vedika. She knows the entire periodic table. So it is not in one day she has done. It's a really a pride. Even I get confused. But when you decide to do something, you do it. You need to have a plan with hard work. You have to get failures in your success. Then only success is countable. You cannot say, I got the success without failure. Failure is a part. Failure is the first step. Unless you go on the first step, you will not go to the last step. And you will get the last step. When you achieve it, then you say, okay, this was my first step. I could not do it properly. And when we won't do properly, we try to do it better way. So please try in a better way this time. you could see your results of PT2. PT2 results are not satisfactory. As per you, whatever you have scored, that is not satisfactory for you even. Even for your teachers, it is not satisfactory. But if you decide today, in the coming time, you will have one more exam in the month of February. In the month of February, you will have one more exam. There you score more. Decide what score you will get in particular subject. 10%, 15% more. Then in the month of March, again you will have final examination. For that also you can have a target. You can have some achieving goal. So that is called resolution. Resolution doesn't mean you have done it today, decided today, and you will get it tomorrow. No. Unless you plan to get it done, how to go for it, how to achieve it, how to learn it, how to make yourself a student, how to make yourself a learner, how to go to your teacher, how to ask your teacher. Teacher is not simple a teacher here. Teacher is a facilitator. Teacher will provide you every support, every assistance, every need. The only thing is you should go and get it. So that is the resolution for today. Ready? Yes. Have you decided? I'll come to your class. I will meet every child today. I will check your notebook whether you have written or not. इस साल मैं ये करूंगा या ये करूंगी. That I am going to see in your notebook today. I will come after the short break in your class. In the short break, I will come, or after the short break I will come. I will check whether you have written or not. What are you going to do in this year? The first step for this year is February exam, monthly exam. Next step is March exam. Next step is learning English, speaking English. Next step is adding vocabulary into your vocabulary bank, word bank. If you simple write, you will come there on that table and you will learn three words per week. 3 words per week with spelling. You can finish the entire table. You can finish that entire table. These things are used for you. These are displayed for you. Make the use of it. Teachers will not bring you here. Ask your teacher to get you here. Okay? So, I would like to wish you again a very bright new year for you. A very sunny life in the coming time. Bright future with lots of love and lots of blessings to everyone. Thank you very much.